What is up, fellas? We're gonna do another video here. We got a black brand new 2021 Street Glide that is now F-bomb fatty, murdered out basically, except that we threw a little red inside it just to kind of mix it up and give it some accents on it. We are heading to a hidden location which we've used before, and legality reasons, I guess, in reality we can't really say where it is, and we don't want the person getting in trouble that allows us to go there. So I figured with the weather the way it is and the outside, we haven't been there in a minute. So it'll kind of be pretty cool to go there, and hopefully the bike stands out. I myself am gonna attempt to shoot it with the camera I got here. I'll definitely do all the video, but I got a buddy coming who's gonna take the stills just in case, because I'm not, when it comes to photography, like I ain't 100% on that stuff. It's a hobby. I like doing video stuff, to be honest with you. But the photography side, I'm still working my tweaks out. So I would just rather have him there and be safe, better safe than sorry. So I haven't been there. We haven't been there, and we don't know. I don't know how much snow is in the area to get this inside where we need to be, because it's I don't want to say it's abandoned, but it is abandoned. It hasn't been open in decades. But I'm assuming that we'll be able to, because there's only a few inches on the ground, sneak up to where I need to sneak up, get by the garage, and then just offload this off to the garage door, and then the inside should be fine because it's all concealed. There is broken glass, and it was built in the 1800s or 1900s, whatever. So there's all the glass that was on top is broken, so there's enough sunlight. So we'll see. We'll soon find out. We'll be there in probably 20 or 30 minutes, and then I'll just throw on my Insta360 and get you the footage from my point of view, because it'll be on my actual neck right here. And it's nowhere near as good quality as this camera, but it does the job, and for as small as it is, it's a pretty badass little camera, and you don't even notice it's there, so it's cool. So stay tuned. Just another video. So, all right. No, I'm good. What up, fellas? We are back with another video here. This is a 2021 brand new Street Glide Standard. It actually started off as, and is fully done up like we've been doing. And these guys are putting the lights up after we got a detail. We're on the undisclosed location, like I said, but I'm just gonna go through it while they're doing this, while we got it over here, because it is in a cool spot. But I'm gonna flip it around. Throw that on there. So we did it all black, front to back, vivid. Starting off from the rear, did the mini monies like we've been doing on these 21 fat tires. You got the CVO lights, Harley speaker lids, 5s and 7s in the front. You got 8s in the bags. Did the Harley Davidson on the actual lid right here. Kiriakin side covers. You got the Kiriakin latch covers, stretch side covers, Mustang seat. Got the slim dash on it with the number 1 on the tank. Going on, we accent matched the whole motor. Pulled it all apart, powder coated it. Did the Harley Screaming heavy breather air filter. Did the red on that, blacked it all out. You got the Freedom 2-in-1 exhaust. Kiriakin floorboards, brake pedal. I just like these, to be honest with you. That's why I keep using them. And then just when you look in the accent on the tank, you can see it. Our boy Dave switch. LED eliminates the stock one. 10-inch bars, all glossed out. Has a whopping 16 miles on it. Haven't even test drove it yet, to be honest with you, because it's cold out. So sitting on full air ride, front to rear, with this MRI center stand. Bad Dad chin spoiler, 21 fat tire, JAD affiliated, wrap fender, stretched fairing in the front, LEDs all the way through the front, single 13-inch with the matching red 6-piston caliper on it, smoothie axles. Got your shifters, your shifter linkage. The motor is stock. I actually do have a cam for it, but if we do a tuner on it, it'll void the warranty. So I'm going to leave that up as an option if you want us to stick the cam in it. It's a S&S cam, just a milder one. That'll give it the nice sound, a little extra power. And it's up to you guys. We'll do it. That's the downfall, is when you do hook a aftermarket tuner up to Harleys, they automatically void the engine warranty like idiots. So I'm going to show you the system in this thing while I got it fired up. Throw some copyrighted music on here. 1 second. I actually just realized that the bags don't have leg gaskets on it yet, and I actually didn't tune the amp. I just realized that. So don't mind that. It is still loud, but it actually will be louder. So we're not going to fire it up right now because we're still doing the photo shoot. So if you have any questions, hit us up, 779-435-0849. Just shoot me a text or email fbombbaggers@gmail.com. Like I said, it is a brand new 2021, straight from the dealer. So we can actually deliver it to you in Daytona once everything is squared and paid for. So check it out and let me know. All right, peace. I'm doing one quick last video here just because it was really cold over there, so I kind of lost my train of thought. I want to go over just a little more on what we did. You can see we accented the gauge rings red just to match everything else. 10-inch bars. They are internally wired, and brake and clutch internally done through the bars. Also, as you're aware, most of these bikes are now 21 and newer are cable clutch, so this one's converted to a hydraulic. Cable's garbage in my opinion. I love hydraulic, I'll always do them. So I just wanted to note that it was in there because we forgot to add that. Other than that, the bags are carpeted and stuff. I just got to put all the, you know, these guys, the boards, the bottom boards, we got to trim in there, and then get the lids wired up, because actually the lids weren't hooked up when we did the radio. This is a scuff, it'll come off, it's just dirty. As far as the stereo, like I explained, you got your horns right here, 6.5s here, 8s in the bag, single amp in the fairing, and the lids too. So the lids actually just are just acting as a high, because you don't really need it. And if for whatever reason, if you guys don't like, or whoever's interested doesn't like this red accented, we can work out the deal that I have spare lids and a spare tank, so I can just remove that. Doing the rings is no big deal. Engine will take a little time here, but we can swap it and completely murder it out, and I'll just keep these as for the next bike, so it's no big deal. You know, we won't charge you any extra on that. I also make sure this is sitting on full air ride, full fast air ride, front and rear. Have any information, 779-435-0849. Shoot us a text. She's ready to go. Like I said in the other video, we can get it delivered to Daytona once everything is paid for. We'll gladly keep it here at the shop. You know, we got a little bit till Daytona hits. I have customer going down for sure that we can put it in his trailer. He's a good friend, so we'll get it delivered to you and you can rock it on. And you know, the other thing is here, those are the LEDs for the headlights.